If Saturn had a bathtub big enough, would it float? Weirdly, yes. And that is not even the strangest space fact today. This is facts you didn't know. Fact 1. The solar system is basically the sun, plus leftovers. The sun holds 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. Every planet, moon, asteroid, and comet together is only the tiny bit left over. Basically, the planets are crumbs on the table. And by volume, about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. And wait till you see what a spoon can do at number 8. Fact 2. Venus has a day longer than its year. Venus takes 225 Earth days to go around the Sun, but 243 Earth days to spin once. So on Venus, one day is longer than 1 year. That is not a calendar, that is a prank. And because Venus spins backwards, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Fact 3. Mercury has ice. That sounds ridiculous, because Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but near its poles, some deep craters are so shadowed that sunlight never reaches the bottom. NASA's Messenger mission found evidence of water ice hiding in those frozen shadows. Mercury is basically hiding ice in the back of an oven. Fact 4. The biggest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. It is called Olympus Mons, and it is roughly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. One reason it got so huge is that Mars does not have moving tectonic plates like Earth, so lava could keep piling up in the same place. Fact 5. Saturn is weirdly light. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system with an average density lower than water. So in the most ridiculous bathtub ever imagined, Saturn would float. The plumbing bill would be criminal, not because it is small, but because it is mostly hydrogen and helium. Fact 6. Astronauts on the space station see 16 sunrises a day. The International Space Station circles Earth 16 times every 24 hours. That means astronauts pass through 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets in one day. Their sleep schedule is not a schedule, it is a hostage situation. Fact 7. The moon is slowly leaving us. Not fast enough to panic, but NASA says the moon moves about an inch farther from Earth every year. Even the moon is slowly leaving the group chat. That tiny drift is connected to the same Earth-Moon system that creates our tides. Fact 8. Neutron stars are almost too dense to explain. A neutron star can be about the size of a city, but it is the crushed core left behind after a massive star explodes. The US Department of Energy says 1 teaspoon of neutron-star material would weigh about 10 million tons. That is 1 spoon you do not leave in the sink. Fact 9. Voyager 1 has barely started its longest journey. It is already the most distant human-made spacecraft, but NASA says it still will not reach the Oort cloud for about 300 years. Voyager is on the slowest road trip ever, and somehow still winning. And getting through the outer edge could take maybe 30,000 years. Fact 10. We have found thousands of planets outside our solar system. NASA's confirmed exoplanet count has passed 6,000, with thousands more candidates still waiting to be confirmed. The universe looked at 8 planets and said, cute starter pack. Some are lava worlds, some orbit 2 stars, some are nothing like the planets we learned about in school. So space is not just empty darkness. It is giant suns, backwards days, hidden ice, floating planets, city-sized dead stars, and thousands of worlds we have barely even met. Which one sounded the most fake before the proof showed up? Tell me which one fooled you in the comments, and subscribe for the next round. More facts are already loading, so I'll see you in the next one.